course.
Advertising. You ready? Okay, so this is week 3 of our East Coast Swing bronze level. Yeah. We're in Lancaster. And it's going to snow tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Get a foot. So today is 2/24?
Yeah.
22. So 2 days ago it was 2/22/22, which was Tuesday. It's not going to happen again for a long time. Anyway, all right. So what we did is we did the 4 walks, 4 kicks, and then we did the heel toe. Thank you. Heel toe swivels. Okay. So what we're going to do our basic. So we had a back rock. We had 1, 2. We did our basic triple step and triple step. And we did a 1, 2, 3, 4. We pointed. We were going to compress into the floor, rotate the lady, press, and compress. So we had a little bit of a variation on that. So we don't have to use the hand going back. We can actually just focus on taking our center and sending it back, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to compress into the floor. Compress into the floor. We turn. And then we're going to give the lady some room. Boop. And then coming back out. And then we had a third variation where we're actually going to end it with an American spin from a press off the chest. So I'm going to show you that one. That's my favorite. I did this one in Cumberland. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Press, 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 press. We do a back rock. Lady's going to chasse, forward chasse. I do a chasse in place. Triple step. She turns, and then we finish with a triple step into our back rock. Let's do that one more time. We'll do it right from the back rock into the press. Ready? 1, 2, triple step, and back rock. And then we did, what was it? Oh, heel toe swivels. Woo-hoo-hoo! A lot of action with this. Okay, so we're taking it from our basic. We have 1, 2, triple step, and triple step. We're going to a 2-hand hold. We want to make sure that we want to create common center, that we don't go beyond. We won't pull our arms in. She doesn't pull her arms in. I don't press her away. We just want to keep that nice and solid. So I'm going to take my left foot, take it right, and I'm going to swing, heel, and then I'm going to cross, and toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. One more. How about one more? And then we back, rock, triple, and triple. Okay? So one final thing is that we talked about the basic step. And I want you to remember this when you practice. This is very, very important. We were having a problem with starting with a big step, trip, and then going small. Okay? Which kind of gives me a galloping look. So I want to change it a little bit by doing my back rock. Kind of aiming more for the foot. We're going to go small, small, big, small, small, big. And so that's going to give that swinging action. Ladies part on that, we go back, rock, small, small, big, small, small. Can't do that. Let's do it again. 1, 2, small, small, big, small, small, big, and then back out. All right. Next week, our special East Coast Swing and our final of the 4. Thank you. Yay! Thanks, Pat.
Woo-hoo!